afternoon, everybody. I'm meteorologist Kyle Pickens here with your SWX weather update. Pretty calm day for the most part for us here in Montana and Wyoming. Some storms in central and southern Wyoming, but here in Montana, at least eastern Montana, very nice, just cooler, much cooler than what we saw during the day. In fact, might see a few showers here and there as we go into the evening hours, maybe a small storm, but it should stay mostly dry for us going into tonight. And for the most part tomorrow, we'll see more cloud cover. It's actually looking to be a little bit cooler for Saturday. Lots of highs in the 70s, even a few highs in the 60s coming up for Saturday, mostly because of that cloud cover and partly because of some cooler air moving in later on tonight. A few more chances for some showers and maybe a storm or two Saturday afternoon. Looks like those are going to stay mostly in and around the mountains, but wouldn't be surprised if some of those try to drift their way into some of the lower elevations as well. Sunday, swinging back into summer. Skies clear out, sun comes out, warmer, back up into the 80s it looks like. Maybe a few more storms here and there in the afternoon, but generally looking pretty good for the second half of the weekend. Not looking bad for the beginning of next week either. A few more storms possible in the afternoon, just, afternoon storms popping up here and there for a few hours and then dying off once the sun sets. But it looks like we're going to stay back into the 80s to near 90 degrees for all of next week, so good news there. Lows overnight tonight, 50s. Maybe a couple 40s. Storm chances lasting into the evening. After that, looking at just a couple showers and then drying out once we get towards 10, 11 o'clock tonight. Winds picking up overnight, though, especially in central and eastern areas. Highs coming up for tomorrow, 60s and 70s. A few more chances for some storms, but looking more like rain showers with maybe a little bit of lightning thrown in for good measure. Warming back up going into next week, but more chances for storms as well, especially as we get into the middle and later parts of next week.